Yes guys, we're back again and we got a new, oops.
Salvage nation, perfect nation.
So guys, there's confirmation, the front parking sensors are all working. What I want to do now, this is the time that you guys are going to win something.
We love the Beamers, the Benz, the Porsches. All of my fans, I know they're supporting. Style with nothing but look at us now. Whoever's supporting, I'm making you proud. Whoever's supporting, I'm making you proud. Salvage nation, look at the squad. We're up in the foreign line, look at the car. Look at the car.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the finale on our lovely little BMW 2 Series. In the last episode, we reconfigured the front end, we reconstructed everything, and we got everything up and running with the coolant system. In this episode, we've got the final few parts that we were missing, some bonnet hinges, a bonnet lock, and obviously the bonnet. And we're gonna be finishing off this car in this episode, and hopefully we're gonna be hitting the road. Hold on, guys, take a minute. If you're watching this video, the chances are you have got a BMW car, and if you do, you're gonna wanna watch this because check this out. Thanks to today's sponsors, King Bowling Tools, you know them, they've sponsored me in the past and they're back again. And you know, once I get a sponsorship, I always get something in it for you lot. So this is the Launch Elite Diagnostic Tool for BMW cars, and it's brought to you today by King Bowling Tools. As I said, this thing does so much. ODB code reading, it does live data, it does so much. And we're gonna be exploring this tool later on. I'm gonna be unboxing this diagnostic tool to diagnose this lovely BMW 2 Series. But once it's all done, I'm gonna stick it back in the box and I'm gonna be giving it away to one of you lot. But I'm gonna be doing it a little bit different. If you know, I always love to give away and give back to you guys who make it possible for me to do something that I love. So this giveaway is gonna be a little bit different. Check this out. Now I have got a limited number of car fresheners. These are the Keep It Moving vanilla car fresheners, and I've got a limited stock of the Salvage Nation Daily Jet Tag. I'm going to be updating the stock on the merch site, www.shopsalvagenation.com. All you need to do is head over to the merch site, purchase either one of these car fresheners or one of these black daily, have a look, the daily Salvage Nation jet tags, and one of the lucky orders is gonna have this diagnostic tool waiting inside. Also, if you do not wanna wait for the giveaway and you wanna grab one of these today, there's gonna be a link down below in the description box, and there's also gonna be a discount code for all of you guys who are a little bit eager and you wanna get your hand on one of these. These are going away fast. Grab one today if you want. Otherwise, stay tuned for the giveaway. Good luck to all of you. I hope you enjoy it. Let's continue with the video. Now, you've seen the video that I put out last week where my beloved Range Rover Evoque was stolen. This morning is the morning that I've just been to the police station. I don't know when I'm gonna put this video out, but you've seen everything in the video that I put out before, so I just wanted to get that out of the way. But this is Salvage Nation, and we keep it moving. So it's time to keep it moving on this bad boy, and I'm happy to get this car out of here, man. So, let go. All right, you guys, so this is what we're waiting for. We've got that bonnet lock, set of hinges, and I'll go in the next room and get this bonnet. I want to mount the bonnet, make sure everything lines up, and then we can continue to mount all the locks and etc, etc. So exciting times. That is one. All right, guys, so it's the next day. It's a brand new day. I went home, I had a nice sleep, and I'm ready to hit this car once again. As you can see, yesterday we did quite a lot. We went ahead, we swapped out those bonnet hinges. We got the bonnet poppers on there for the airbag system. I went ahead and done a test fit on this front bumper. And most importantly, I've done a test fit on the bonnet, and have a look. When you close the bonnet now, it's closing like butter, melted butter. So we're one step closer to completing this car. What I want to do today though is I need to take the bumper back off. We need to prep it for paint. We need to drill some PDC holes. That's for the parking system. We need to lay all the inners on this bumper, plastics, grills, wiring looms, etc., etc. Get everything back on the car for the final fit. And then we're gonna get the car into paint, spray the car, and then we can get the car out for our first test drive. So that is the plan for today. No more talking, let's crack on. Alright guys, so as you just saw, I removed all the grills, fog lights, and there's a few inner plastics as well. I've got them all there. Air ducts are all there. This is the broken bumper that came off the car. I had to just remove all of these parking sensor clips or holders, whatever you want to call them. Remove them from this broken bumper, and I've gone ahead and I've fitted them into our replacement bumper. I am missing one, so I need to order one from BMW, but we've got the washer jet covers there. We've got the parking sensors there, 4, and after that, it's just a matter of taking the car and this bumper into paint. So that is up next. Let's continue. Alright, you guys, have a look at this now. I've got a fully sprayed front bumper, got a fully sprayed bonnet, went ahead and blended it all, and everything is looking good. All I need to do now is assemble all the grills and everything in that bumper, get it on the car, and this car is going to be one step closer to being completed. But before I do that, I've got a little update for you on a previous build that I just bought. The video has been doing good numbers, so check out this little update. Once I'm done with that, then we'll continue and get this front end assembled. So guys, here's a little update. You remember this bad boy? This video's done a lot of numbers. If you haven't seen it, go see the video that I've done on this car that I got from Copart. open up the bonnet, and the engine was in bits. The update is, I can't be bothered with, it's just got a lot of hassle. It's just I've got too many things on, man. I've just got too much on my plate right now, and I can't do it.
Oh God.
Yes.
You bought yourself a thing going back to copart now.
Say no more. So guys, the update is going back to copart. So be on the lookout for this. Yeah, I've had a long conversation with copart, and yeah, they've agreed to. I'll just say I'm happy. That's all. I'll leave it as that. I'm happy. I can laugh about it now. Innit?
One-way trip to copart sofa.
It'd be lovely if I brought down motor, one-way trip to copart sofa. That's it. That's where we're gonna leave it. But yeah, guys, that's just a little update. Let's continue and finish off the 2 series. Boss, what do you think? Is it tamam?
Yeah, everything good.
You in the video today, yeah?
Where is badge?
No badge.
Why?
This is Salvage Nation. We go badgeless.
Salvage nation, perfect nation.
Alright you guys, so I've brought the car outside and have a look at everything. This is the first time that this car is seeing the light of day as a complete car. I went ahead and I fitted grills, the badges, the bottom grills, all the sensors are working and everything. What do you think, Maz?
The badge supplied there, no?
Guys, Maz supplied the badge,
And the bumper actually.
and the bumper was supplied by H&M Car Centre Parts Department. Maz,
Clean,
I appreciate it, yeah. Looks good, looks good. What I want to do now, this is the time that you guys are going to win something. I want to diagnose the car. I've had a check engine light on the car ever since we got it. We replaced a ton of sensors and stuff on the front, so we need to just cycle through everything, clear all the codes, and see what the diagnostic tool is saying. Now, this little thing is so nice, neat and compact, and it's got a massive punch. So you just plug it in there, and it gets the power from the car, so you'll always have a charge. And then, as you can see, it's powering up. Let me sit down. So now that it's plugged into the car, you can see it's powering up. It's a Launch C-Reader Elite. So this should be up to the task of diagnosing this lovely BMW 2 Series. Now that pedestrian protection, it always comes up, and that's because we had all the sensors off. And like you can see there, the check engine light and some other bits and bobs. So start. You can tell this is brand new because I need to set it up. So next. It's actually got built-in Wi-Fi. I'm figuring this out at the same time that you are. So that's now all connected. Click next. Finally, so diagnose. It's also got auto detect. So let's see what auto detect comes up with. Guys, this is so good. Like, believe me, if you have a BMW, trust me, you will want one of these. And there we are, guys. We're in. It's connecting and it's quite fast. As you can see, it's got a ton of codes. Tons of fault codes. This car was in a wreck. It's been sat for ages. This is the first time that we've got everything back on. I don't want to share. Let's go back to the report. So what I like to do, I just have a quick browse through all of these, as you can see, and clear codes. I like to clear everything, and then we'll see exactly where we are once we check the remaining codes that weren't able to be cleared. So guys, there we have it. We've cleared all the codes. The washer heating jets, there's a brake or short circuit to B+. That is the washer jets for the windscreen. There is a shortage or a short circuit, but it's because there's an open circuit because I haven't plugged them in. I know that for a fact. And other than that, it says fault, central fault memory full, no control unit fault. So that is just a generic fault. and I'm pretty sure that will clear on its own. But as you can see, everything else is nice and clean. Let's start the car up and see what's going on. So first of all, you can see the check engine light is gone, and the pedestrian protection warning, that's also gone. It just says top up the coolant, which we will once we cycle through everything. Check the tire pressure, I need to reset that system. Those are all manual things that you need to do when you're in the car, once you're driving, but have a look at that. So guys, there's confirmation, the front parking sensors are all working. So once again, we know that everything on the car is working fine because there's no check codes. And yeah, that four-wheel drive is kicking in, it looks good, it feels good. It sounds good. What I'll do is I'll take it out on the roads for a proper test drive. I don't want to take the risk now. Like I said, I want to finish this car, finish the build properly. But yeah, the car is back together.
The Beamers, the Benz, the Porsches, all of my fans are not supporting. Style with nothing but look at us now. Whoever's supporting, I'm making you proud. Whoever's supporting, I'm making you proud. Salvage Nation, look at the squad. Pull up in the front line, look at the car. Look at the car. New whip, yeah. Can't wait till we rich, yeah. Know it's gonna take time, yeah. Don't trip, yeah. I remember being broke, never having nothing else to my name. I remember when no one believed in me, now they say I'm a star like Billie Jean. I wanna make love in the Benz, I wanna make love in the BM and Porsche. But up in the G-Wagon Brabus, I know you can tell by the loud exhaust. I need a 458 Ferrari, oh, I'ma pull up in the Maserati. Grateful for the love I'm getting from the fans, cause they know I'll be putting the work in. Salvage Nation.
Guys, how sick does this little car look now? We've completely transformed this from a wreck to a thing of beauty, and this is the part of the job that I really like. It's a lot of hard work, a lot of sleepless nights trying to find parts not working, etc, etc. But this is the best part of the job, when you can step back and admire your work. It's been a lot of fun rebuilding this car, but this is where we're going to end this episode and this build. I am happy with it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know what you think I should get next. I've got a couple of new builds that are hiding over there. They're going to be coming soon, but get in the comments, let me know what you want to see on Salvage Nation. And before I go as well, just a reminder, check this out. This little thing performed like a champ. It's small, it's compact, and it packs a serious punch. And whoever wins this little diagnostic reader, you're going to get so much out of it. I'm very impressed with this. It can do everything, and is specifically for BMWs. So don't forget, head on over to shopsalvagenation.com, purchase one of the car fresheners or a jet tag, and one lucky person is going to be receiving this in the post. So this is where we're going to head off. I'm off to watch the Arsenal. I'll see you in the next one. Keep it moving. We out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that, why don't you check out one of my previous videos on the left? There's plenty in the playlist. And if you want to know more about the Salvage game, why don't you become a member of Salvage Nation, and I'll be there to guide you along the way. And don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram if you want to get an inside scoop before YouTube.